Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this really cool cell phone cases. They come in this package like this, really nice, very well protected. They are car themed, so if you are into cars, poker, blackjack, baccarat, anything like that, any kind of card game, magician even, they come like that. And this one again is the king. It also has a metal ring so that you can attach either a battery, a wireless charger, or any kind of holder. And this one again is the king. This is the queen. And this is the ace. And as you can see, it has that they move, the spades on this one move, and there's like a little sand, color sand in there. And as you move and shake, you see there's like right there. Same thing for the queen. Put it like this so you can see. And then it has the hearts, and they will come down. And then for the king, it has the diamond right there, right here, and they go down. And it has this little nice edge right here to protect your lenses. So again, it's not a plastic cover, so it wouldn't distort your images. It's just the edge that sticks up a little bit so that again, it protects your camera lenses. It's really nice. We're using it right now on the show that we have, and I'm dealing some blackjack, and I'll show you how they look. Aside from the really nice designs, they are frosted four-corner airbag anti-fall frame. There's also, again, the raised bezel for the camera lens protection. And it has the Luminous Quicksand inside so that it makes it a lot more interesting, and again is scratch resistant and wear resistant. So here you are. I hope that you find them as interesting, as nice, as unique as I am.